Assalamu-Alikum everyone, this is me Sayyid Harish and welcome back to my YouTube channel How to See. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can write a professional email for Jobify, or if you are an email marketer and you are anytime you are trying to write an email and send it again and again and again to anyone else, and like number by number, so you don't have to write an email from now. After watching this video, you don't have to write any email and like do search about anything. But today this video I'm going to tell you just easy and convenient method. You have to just give write in the search bar, write a professional email for me, and anything will be done and dusted okay for you, already will be exhausted for you. So you have to just write the thing which I'm going to tell you, and the website which I'm going to tell you, which is OpenAI or chatgpt. Chatgpt is one of the best AI system which is created and launched by OpenAI. So without spending time, let's get back to the video. But before starting it, I'm going to do a little bit request to you that if not to subscribe my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Let's go. So there we go. You can see here my bad screen, and now you have to go and open your Chrome browser. Directly the dashboard of OpenAI or ChatGPT is coming in front of you. Why? Because I've already logged in. If you don't know about ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT and how to log in it, how to log in to it, how to sign up if this is your first time, so you can go and watch my first one video. Inshallah, I'll give you the link in the description below. So what are we doing? We are write something, okay, letter or application for job apply. So you have to click on the search bar and search there, write a professional email, okay, for then whatever you want to write, okay, just like if you're applying for job, or if you are email marketer to tell someone to sell you a product, or any sort of thing you're writing email, so you can do it. Okay, so what you have to do is we're doing for job apply, so we are click here just electrical, for instance, okay, electrical job, and click on the arrow, and there we go. You can see here in a second it will write a professional email for you guys. How it works, this is the best of artificial intelligence, and this open ChatGPT, when you write something to it, it will read all the website which is present and Google. Okay, in Google it will read anyone number by number and automatically catches some professional points for you and give you here. Okay, so you can see here, oh my god, the whole the whole email is right for you for free in a minute. Okay, so what do you want more? It's a super easy job. And at first, since we are writing someone else, like another email, and you want to write it in a short form, okay, it's a little bit long, and you want to write it in a short form. So what you have to do, again, click on the search bar, okay, write short email for job apply or apply job. Click on arrow. There we go. You can see here subject for what sort of thing about it is, application for position, whatever position you want, at company and company name. Then you have to write a company name. Okay, here, I hope this email find you well, and number by number it will blah blah blah. It will write anything for you professionally. I love this ChatGPT. I write the whole script of my YouTube videos or blog or any sort of thing I write on ChatGPT. It give 100% guaranteed to give you the right thing. I'm not talking about coding. Coding is something else. Coding is if you're talking about coding as a little bit harsh, they have some type of code which OpenAI can do, okay, but a lot of code it can do, because this is made for codes and something, these sort of informative things. So this is all about today. After the video is a little bit informative, so make sure that you give a thumb to the video as well, and share your opinion in the comment below as well, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for receiving further more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.